Namaste students, Shweta here. In your previous class, we started chapter 13, that is ways to multiply and divide. So chapter name is ways to multiply and divide. Let me see few problems based on that. Suki works on farm. He is paid rupees 98 for one day. If he works for 52 days, how much will he earn? The question is Suki is working on a farm. So for one day he is getting 98 rupees salary. So you like that 52 days how much salary he will earn. So this is the question. What you have to do, how much means you have to multiply here. What you have to multiply? 52 you have to multiply with 98. So this is two digit number is multiplying with two digit number. Now what you have to do? 52 first you multiply, easiest step means for 52 first you multiply with 8. So it is 416. Now again 52 you multiply with 9. So here 52 you multiply with 9. 9 is in tens place. So ones place will be 0. Then you multiply. So that is 468. Now both you add. So you will get 5096 as the answer. So Suki will earn 5096 by working in the farm of for 52 days. Rathiram is milk seller in the city. He sells 13 liter of milk every day at rupees 23 per liter. How much does he earn? See, Rathiram is a milk seller. He sells 13 liter of milk every day. Every day he is selling 13 liters of milk. So 1 liter, how much he will he will sell? So 1 liter cost is 23 rupees. How much for 1 liter cost is 23 rupees, like the 13 liters how much cost you will get. So what you have to do, you have to multiply here also same thing. So 23 you multiply with how many liters? 13 liter. 1 liter milk cost is 23 rupees. So totally 13 liters you have to multiply. So first what you have to do, two digits with two digits means first 23 you multiply with 3. 3 3 is a 9, 2 3 is a 6. Then again 0, 2 threes, 3 ones are 3, 2 ones are 2. So totally 299 rupees the Rathiram will get for 13 liters of milk. So like that only Hariya took a loan to build his house. He has to pay back rupees 2750 every month for 2 years. How much will he pay back in 2 years? See, Hariya, he took a loan to construct a house. So he has to pay every month 2750. So until how many months he have to pay? So 2 years. So 2 years means how many months are there? 1 year there are 12 months, means 2 year means 24 months. So how much will he pay back for 2 years? So Arya, every month 2750 means you have to multiply with 24. So here 2750 is multiply with 24. So now 0's 4's 0, 5. Now see here 0 5 4's 20, 0 2 carry, 7 4's 28 plus 2 29 30, 0 3 carry, 4 2's 8, 8 plus 3 11. Now so 0 0 zeros are 0, 0 5's 2 5's 10, 2 zeros are 0, 2 5's are 10, 0 1 carry, 2 7's are 14, 14 plus 1 15, 2 2's are 4, 1 5. Plus you add both, so you will get 66,000. So Arya has to pay for 2 years 66,000. Now division, let we see. You know that division means sharing. Here in the multiplication you are repeatedly adding, but in the division you are repeatedly subtracting. Repeated subtraction is known as division. Dolama took a loan from a friend to buy a mop for rupees 9588. She has to pay it back in equal amount every month for 6 months. See, she took a loan. How much loan she took? 9588. She have to uh, pay back the amount of within 6 months. So you, how much will she have to pay every month? Every month how much she have to pay? You have to find. How you have to find? You have to divide here. So more they are given, less you have to find, means you have to divide here. She asked her children to calculate. Will both of them get the same answer? Discuss. Let we see. See, total money she have to give it back is 6, and see, money she took is 9588. So what, she is having daughter and son. So son, he did one method and daughter she did one method. So how she multiplied first daughter? See, 6 500 times she multiplied 6 500 3000. Now subtract it. So she subtract 3000 with 9588. She will get 6588. So again 3000 she multiplied. Again same 3000. So at last 0 you she will get. So see, she did the quotient as adding. 500 plus 500, 1000 plus 500, 1500, 1500 plus 90, 1500 plus 98. So here 1598 is the answer. Another method this son did, what he did. So he did 6, he multiplied directly with 1000. 6000 is 6000. After he subtract 8, 8 minus 0 is 8, 8 minus 0 is 8, 5 minus 0 is 5, 9 minus 6 is 3. So he get 3588. Again 6, 90 times 6 5 500 times he did. 6 500s are 3000. So again he subtract. 8 minus 0 is 8, 8 minus 0 is 8, 5 minus 0 is 5, 3 minus 3 is 0. So what he did, 690 is a 540. Again subtract. So after that what he did, all he add. 1000 plus 500 is 1500, 90 plus 8 is 98. So again same answer, 1590 only. So many ways is there to divide. Same answer only. Both they are dividing with a different way, but the answer, the quotient will be same. Both they divide in different way, but quotient is 1598 only. So both the children get the same answer. Then Doloma has to pay how much amount? 1598. Try to solve this using a few steps as you know can. See here, simple division, that's all. See here you have to divide 4228 with 4. So much, 4 ones are 4, 4 minus 4 is 0, 2 you take down, then 2 it is not subtract, so 0 you put, again 2 you take, 4 how many times? 4 5s are 20, so minus 2, 8 you take down, 28, 4 8s are 40. So like that you divide. See here, same thing what I did. So 4 7s are 28, so 28 minus 28 is 0. So then quotient is 1500, 1057. So like that only 22 you divide with 770. Now see, 22 you divide with 770. 22 how many times? 22 threes are 66, 110. 22 fives are 110. So 35 is the quotient. See, it is a easy division. You can do it yourself. 8 you divide with 9872. 8 ones are 8 ones are 8. 1 minus. So again 8 you take down. 8 twos are 8 twos are 16. 16. Now 27. See, 8 minus 6 is 2. 1 minus 1 is 0. 7 you take down. 24. So it will be 8 threes are 24. Again 3. So like that division. It is a single digit division. You can do it yourself. How much petrol? Isha has rupees 1000 with her. She wants to buy petrol. 1 liter of petrol cost is rupees 47. How much liter can she buy? See here, money. Isha is having how much money? 1000 rupees. 1 liter of petrol cost is 47. Liter of petrol. How much liter of petrol she have to buy? So she have to. She wants 40. See, cost of 1 liter is 47. How liter of petrol she can buy? How much means you have to divide and you have to find here, because see, Isha has rupees 1000 with her. She want to buy a petrol. 1 liter cost petrol is 47. So how much liter she can buy now? You have to divide and you have to check. See here, Isha has how much money? 40 is 1000 rupees money. So 1 liter cost of petrol is 47. So 1000, 47 twos are 94. So here 47 twos are 94. Minus 100 minus 94 is 6. So this 0 you take down. 47 ones are 47. The remainder is 13. Now see here, remainder is 13. Hence Isha can only buy 21 liters of petrol with rupees 1000. The remaining 30 rupees is left out with her. So only 21 liters of petrol she can buy. Find out. If Isha comes to your city, how much petrol can she buy with the same money? Let me think. The cost of petrol in your city is 50 rupees. She is having 1000 rupees cost with her. So you divide and check. 50 you divide with 1000. Now 52 is 100. 0 0 0 0. So 0. So she can buy how much liter of petrol? She can buy 20 liters of petrol. There is no remainder. There is no remainder here. Remainder is 0. So no money left out. So 1000 rupees. For 1000 rupees, 20 liters of petrol exactly she can buy. Children's Day. Children are happy today. They are celebrating Children's Day. Each child will be give 4 colored pencils from school. The school has got 969 pencils. To find out how many children can get pencil, the teacher asked them to divide. Children's Day, children are very happy because they are getting the gifts. What gifts they are getting means 4 colored pencil boxes. They are each children, they are getting 4 colored pencils from the school. School has got 969 pencils. School is with them, with the school, how many pencils are there? 9690. Sorry, 969 pencils are there. To find out how many children can get pencil, the teacher asks them to divide. So here, how many children in the 969 pencils? So each children get 4 pencils, means how many children can get the pencil? You have to divide and you have to check now. See here what they did. 4, they divided 9,969. So how many times? Here, see here, 4 hundreds of 400. So remained that after subtraction 569 they get. Again 4 hundreds of 400. So 169 they get. Again 4 40 is 160. Then 9 is the remainder. 4 2s are 8. 1 is the remainder. Now all quotients you add. 100 plus 100, 200, 200 plus 40, 240, 240 plus 2, 242. Same. Isha, like this she did, and Srinu, he multiplied with another way. See, 4 2 he divide with another way. 4 200s are 800, so 169 is the remainder. Then 440 is 160, 9 is the remainder 8. Then at last 1 is the remainder. The quotient is 200 plus 40 is 240. 240 plus 2 is 242. Same answer only they get. In the both the way we got the same answer, which is 242. Hence 242 can get the color pencils from that 969 pencils. 576 books are to be packed in boxes. If one box has 24 books, how many boxes are needed? See, total number of books be packed is 576 books. If one box 24 in one box 24 books are there. So total books is 576 books. So like that, how many boxes they can make in that 576 books? So let we find. Total number of books to be packed is 576. Number of books in one box is 24. So each box, in one box 24 books, 24 books, 24 books, like that they will keep, means so totally 576 books they have to keep. Then you have to divide and you have to check now. See here 20. Now you divide 24, you divide with 576. 24 2s are 48. 17 minus 8 is 9. 4 minus 4 is 0. This 6 you take down. 24 4s are 96. So totally how many boxes they have to make? They can make 24 boxes. Means 24 boxes are required to pack 576. So like that only, a gardener bought 458 apple tree. He wants to plant 15 trees in each row. How many rows can he plant? How many trees would be left over? So like that is another problem. Total number of plant apple trees is 458. So he want to plant how many in each row? How many plants he need to plant? See, each row means one row 15 plants you need to plant. So like that, how many total number of plant is 458. Each row 15 plants means, so how much row it will become? So you have to find. How to find? You have to divide 15, you divide with 458. So 15 3s are 45. 5 minus 5 is 0. 4 minus 4 is 0. 8 you take down. 15 zeros are 0, that is 8. Hence the gardener can plant 30 rows of apple trees. So how many is left out? 8 trees are left out. So same, there are 28 laddus in 1 kg. How many laddu will be there in 12 kg? If 16 laddus can be packed in one box, how many boxes are needed to pack all these laddus? See here, there are 28 laddus in for 1 kg. 28 laddus they will get. How many laddus will be there in 12 kgs? For 12 kgs means how many laddus it is? See, 1 kg 28 laddus means for 12 kg you have to multiply here. See, 8 2s are 16, 2 2s are 4 1 5, 4 1 5. Now again 0, 8 1s are 8, 2 1s are 2. So 6, 8 plus 5 is, yes, 13, 3. So 336. Totally, see, however you had, if you add with 12 multiply with 28 or 28 multiply with 12, both the answer is same because commutative property here. So yeah, order is same, order is changed also, the product remains same. Is 336 is the answer. Hence there will be 336 laddus in 12 kg. Number of laddus that can be packed is, how many laddus they can pack? 6 in one box. 16 laddus. Next question it is. So for 12 kg 336 laddus. 16 laddus can be packed in one box. In one box 16 laddus they can pack means how many boxes are needed to pack all the laddu? Now here you have to divide here. 336 you have to divide 16. 16 twos are 32. So 1. Now 6 you have take down. 16 ones are 16. So totally how many boxes they can make? 21 boxes they can make. See here, make the best story problem. Each line gives a story. You have to choose the question which makes the best story problem. See, there are three questions they are given. You have to choose which one is the best story for this. A shopkeeper has 50 boxes. There are 48 fruits in one box. See, how much will the shopkeeper pay in all? It is not wrong. How many fruits are there in all? Yes, correct. No. See here, a shopkeeper has 50 boxes. Each box 48 fruits are there. Are 48 fruits in one box. Now next, how many more boxes will he need? No, this is also wrong question. So the correct question is, how many fruits are there in all? Explain why A and C are not good choice. Option A is not good choice because price is not given in the story, right? They are not given in the story price. They are given only how many fruits are there. Option C is not good choice because total number of boxes is given in the story. The cost of one book is 47. Sonu buy 23 boxes. So which is the, now see here, the cost of one book is rupees 47. Sonu buys 23 books. How much money does she have? It is wrong question. How much money does she pay for the books? What is the cost of 47 books? So here, what is the question here? What question you can choose? The cost of one book is 47. So now buys 23 books. So what is here? First question is wrong. What is the cost of 47 books? Here only the cost of one book is 47. They are given. They are asking what Sonu buys 23 books. So your second question is B1 is correct option. See here. How much money does she pay for the books? Practice time. Do this division. Check your result by multiplication. See what is the, you have to divide first and you have to check the answer. Here divide 9, you divide with 438. 9 fours are 36. Here 8, 7, this 8 you take down. So 9 8s are 72. 6 is the remainder. Now quotient is 48, remainder is 6, divisor is 9. So what is the formula to find? What is the formula? Dividend equals divisor into quotient plus remainder is the formula. In that formula you apply and you find. Another question, 12 you have to divide with 3480. This and all you did it in 4th standard. Same problem. So 12 2s are 24. So here 10, 8 you take down. So 12 9s are 108. Now 0, 0, again 0. So 290. So 290 is the quotient, remainder is 0, divisor is 12. So what is the formula? Formula is dividend equals divisor into quotient plus remainder is the formula. So what is the dividend here? Dividend is 3480. Dividend. What is the quotient? 290 is the quotient. So apply here. What is the divisor? Divisor is 12. So 12 multiply with 290 plus 0. So 12 into 290 is 3480. So you get dividend also 3480. So like this you have to check. Home assignment I have given. So solve the given sums and color the answer in the grid given below. See what you find. See, you have to write like this table and you draw the same whatever in this grid you write in that grid in the homework book, and you have to do this sums. So you have if it is a multiplication symbol, you have to do multiplication. It is a division symbol, you have to do division, and you are getting the answer, so you have to color it. For example, 21 multiply with 16, what is the answer? So that answer you have to color in this grid. So like that you do this activity. It is like activity also, and also like sum also. Do it and send it to me.